Delhi Metro Magenta Line Extension, RK Ashram to Janakpuri West work update. The Magenta Line currently links Janakpuri West in West Delhi to Botanical Garden in Noida, providing an important east-west connection via interchanges at Hauz Khas and Kalkaji Mandir. Under Phase 4 of the Delhi Metro, this line is being extended west and north to RK Ashram Marg, creating a second cross-city axis that will relieve pressure on the blue and yellow lines. The new segment will include stations at Paschim Vihar, Mirabagh, Keshupur, Mayapuri, and Narayana before turning north to meet the existing blue line at RK Ashram. These stations are strategically located near residential colonies, industrial estates, and commercial hubs, offering commuters more direct routes and reducing the need to transfer at overcrowded interchanges like Rajiv Chowk. Construction is well underway at several sites. Elevated viaducts have begun to rise along the outer ring road, and casting yards are fabricating the precast segments that will form the elevated sections. Near Narayana, where the line transitions from elevated to underground, tunnel boring machines have been lowered into deep shafts. These TBMs will drive twin tunnels beneath built-up neighborhoods, emerging near RK Ashram Marg to connect with the existing blue line. Meanwhile, DMRC has issued tenders for signaling, rolling stock and power systems. The extension will be equipped with platform screen doors at underground stations and advanced communications-based train control (CBTC) to allow high-frequency service. The benefits of this extension are substantial. At present, travelers from RK Ashram or Karol Bagh to Noida or the satellite towns must take circuitous routes and change trains at congested hubs. The new segment will provide a direct link from Western Delhi to Noida and Ghaziabad, cutting journey times by up to 20 minutes. It will also enhance access to employment hubs along the Noida-Greater Noida Expressway and to educational institutions like Delhi University's North Campus. When complete, Janakpuri West will become a super interchange connecting the blue, magenta and grey Airport Express lines and elevating its status as a transport hub. With land acquisition largely resolved and construction progressing steadily, the RK Ashram Janakpuri West extension is on track for commissioning later this decade. For commuters, it promises shorter, simpler journeys and greater flexibility in choosing routes. If you'd like to follow future construction milestones on this and other Delhi Metro projects, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.